Oh, the West County Clare is a beautiful place. Its people a charming and musical race. 'Tis pleasant to view it by car or by coach, but a blot on the landscape is the Milltown Cockroach. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. The Milltown Cockroach is a martyr for beer. His eye it is evil, his aspect severe. He barks like a bulldog and kicks like a mule, and he drinks and he fights and he plays games of pool. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. In sweet Milltown Malbay one night in July, I retired to my tent as the sunrise was nigh. Established in comfort with grunts and with yawns, I shortly was dreaming of tunes and row-cons. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. But I woke with a start after 2 hours or so to this loud crunching noise coming from my big toe. This insect most foul then came into my view. On the sole of my foot he proceeded to chew. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. So I jumped from the bed with a terrible screech, saying, Mr. Cockroach, of the law you're in breach. On a citizen's blood you may not slake your thirst without gaining the donor's approval at first. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. Of the legal position, says he, I have doubt, for this blood is at least 58% stout. So stop quoting law and lie down again quick till myself and my buddies conclude our picnic. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. So I tried to sweet-talk him with eloquent chat, saying a gourmet like you should know better than that. Look at my carcass, 'tis scrawny and tough, while of plump tender youths there are surely enough. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. Says the cockroach, you speak like a poet and a sage, but truly you don't taste too bad for your age. My friends have decided that here we will dine. While the mate isn't great, sure the pickle is fine. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. So I tackled those insects with brain and with brawn. We struggled and tore at each other till dawn. I fought them with blows and with bites and with kicks. I tried burning and drowning and all sorts of tricks. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. But that offspring of Satan came at me in gangs, snarling and showing me their venomous fangs. They crawled from the ditches and out of the sewers, 10,000 or more of them six-legged whores. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. They covered the ground like a black shiny sheet, till I knew it was time for to sound the retreat. I turned and ran full of loathing and dread, and from sweet Milltown Malbay that morning I fled. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. Oh, the black widow spider is not a nice toy, and the African cobra is one ugly boy. But both of them surely are cuddly and fair compared to the man-eating cockroach from Clare. Rally-ra-fal-da-do, rally-ra-fal-da-dee. From Agaf.